going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we have a brand new charger from Anker. So this is going to be their prime wireless charging station. It is a 3-in-1, as you guys can see here, and has a cool little display. It also comes with both the charging brick and cable, and it is a massive box. So I am excited to see what's in it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Has the nice Apple-style pull tabs as well, of course. Pull tab number 1. Let's get the second one here on the other side. Okay, with both pull tabs away, let's go ahead and lift the lid. Wow, look at that. That is one beautiful looking charger. You have the soft touch base there, the steel arms, you've got the rotating head there for the phone. Man, that looks amazing. You get a little instruction booklet there in the bottom. In the lid, we have our accessories. And this is, by the way, one of the first chargers to support Qi 2.2. So it is going to have the fastest charging speeds for your brand new iPhone 17 and all the other brand new Apple devices. And we've got the little charging cube here with the folding prongs. So very, very nice stuff. Let's get that unboxed here. And this little guy is a powerhouse. So this is one of their newer charging cubes. And it looks like it can do 65 watts, which is insane. That is an insane amount of power for something that is of this stature. And then as far as the cable goes, this right here is a metal cable, it looks like, and it's braided, so it's very, very nice quality. But what I'll do is I'll plug this guy up and kind of show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so as you guys can see here, this is the charger plugged in. So let's go ahead. This right here is the little display. So cool thing about this is that you have a couple different things here. You have settings you can adjust. You can see the wattage of pretty much every device. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. So I can, with this, set my phone on there, and it starts to charge, and then shows me the wattage. Now, let's say I set my AirPods on here, same thing. It'll start to charge, and then show the wattage. You can see it there off to the left. And then let's also set my Apple Watch on its little puck. Very nice. Now, obviously, since these are all fully charged, they're not really going to push in any power, but you guys kind of get the idea. And then with this, it has the rotating head for the phone part, so as you can see. And then behind here, we have cooling built in, so it makes it nice and cool and make sure that it stays that way, which is very good, especially since it charges it at over 25 watts, which is insane. But that's going to do it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.